Good morning. It is Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk, trading 100% automatic, no hands trading. It is November 10th, 2022, 12:06, almost 12:07 p.m. Pacific time. And current price is over here. We're trading the ES today. We traded a record on the ES today. A record per contract. Strong, all automatic, full algorithmic trading. No hands at all. What was the record? Well, we traded 6 contracts on the ES and we made 30 almost 35 grand, 34,987. Yes, you heard me right. On only 6 contracts, right? So that's over 5 grand a contract. Amazing trading. It's a record even for the automatic trading. Woo! Okay. Now that we know that I'm jacked and excited about this, let's take a look, okay? How did this happen? How did we get that kind of result with 6 contracts? Let's go back and look. First of all, the daily chart. Before we do that, let's look at the daily chart. Here is the daily candlestick, stretching her out here. You can see that we're kind of hovering around right here as we speak in what you might call a supply zone where there could be some resistance. Now, we've been up there before, so let's see what happens. Obviously, we get up in here, we could come all the way. So we'll see what happens here. But today, a big day, right? A good big up day. Look at our result right there. Automatic trading takes no analysis of charts and daily charts. So let's take a look and see how this looks, okay? I'm going to say goodbye to the daily chart right now, and let's go back and take a look. I'm going to find our trades. By the way, there's a lot of bars here, so I'm just going to scroll back really fast in price because so you see some of our trades. There was our final trade right here, 7 a.m. this morning. Final trade, record day of trading. Wow. Strong automatic trading, okay? I am just so amazed by it. All right, let's take a look, okay? I'm going to scroll back. I'll try not to do it too wildly, okay? And these trades will come off of our view. But rather than scrunching it all up at the present time, we'll do it a little bit. We'll scrunch it a little bit later, okay? So I'm going to go back. I'm going to get back to our first trade. And here we are, our first trade right there. Midnight last night, boom, we went long, and that was a great one. Take a look at that target, okay? Going long and hitting our target. I just love that, don't you? All traders do love to hit their target. Now let's see what happened. I'm going to scroll forward, okay? I'm scrolling forward. Price again is getting way up there, and we'll see that target. We'll come back to where the target is. There it is. That's where we took target right there. Boom. Amazing. Right in the middle of the news item this morning. Boom, we hit target, okay? So that was the big reaction the market had. We took our target right there. We were in a trade already during the news. By the way, automatic trading. You know how a lot of traders avoid news? I avoid no news. I trade through every bit of news, okay? The only reason why I wouldn't be trading is if I've already hit my max P&L for the day. One side or the other, so out of the news that way. Otherwise, I'm in every news, every single news that comes out. Okay, so that's an example of that. And here we go. Here's another long entry that was good right there. You can see, and we'll follow her all the way to our target there. And we're trading the ES today, as we had discussed earlier. 6 contracts on the ES, the mini future, the S&P index, the most liquid instrument in the world, okay? Most liquid in the world. There's another one, another trade that was good, coming into our view here sometime where we hit target. Did I pass it? No, went out of our view again. I'm going to bring her back in. In a second, we're going to see where it actually hits. And there, it hits target, okay? So it's very hard to catch all this in price, but let's take a look. Let's scrunch her up a little bit, and then you can see kind of what I've been floating through there, okay? So I'm just going to fix it because I think we like seeing it better this way. All right, so then final fire close right there. Trading stopped, all automatic. Automatically, the program's adding up my closed P&L with my open P&L. As soon as I hit my max P&L for the day, right in the middle of the trade, flattens me right there. I love trading that way. It's the only way to trade automatic trading today. 6 contracts on the ES, the mini future of the NASDAQ, or the mini future of the S&P index. 11/10/22, 12:12 p.m. 34,987.50. Amazing trading for 6 contracts. Over 5 grand a contract, almost 6 grand a contract. Almost unheard of. I would say unheard of for the ES for day trading. Amazing automatic trading. The results certainly speak for themselves.